Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Zengo app on your smartphone. Zengo is a secure and user-friendly crypto wallet, perfect for managing your digital assets. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And head over to your app store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. Here, I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type in Zengo and search for it. You will see the Zengo app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. It should have this logo. Once you find the app, you can see the install button right next to the app icon. Tap on it to download it in your device. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed in your device. Here you can see the open button now. Tap on it to launch the app on your phone. You can now log into your account and explore this app. So that's it, you've successfully downloaded the Zengo app on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.